Hello, my name is Luyedi and I'm from Myanmar, Pyongyang City. So when I was young, I was diagnosed with ASD. It's a kind of disease that was a hole in the upper part of the heart. So at first, my mom don't know about the disease. So when I was like 12, when I was 12, we go to Victoria Hospital, and we met Dr. Rahagu, and he suggested us to have a surgery in India, and the surgery is a minimally invasive surgery. So at first I was very scared because I never had a surgery like that before, but the surgery went well. And I'm happy, and the doctors and nurses here are very friendly and very impressive. So if you have the same disease or condition as me or other conditions, you can come here and save it. So the surgeon name is Nagesha Rao, and so this is about my story.
Hi, this is Dr. C. Raghu from Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad. I had the happiness to treat Miss Sule Yati from Pinlovin, Myanmar. This bubbly young girl approached me at Heart and Vascular Center, Victoria Hospital, with a large atrial septal defect or ASD. Normally, ASDs can be closed with a device, that means without surgery, using an umbrella shaped device. But this girl, for her body weight and her age, she has a much larger hole in the heart. So we had suggested her to come to Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad for an ASD surgery. This open heart surgery has been performed smoothly by Dr. Nageshwar Rao and team without any complications during procedure and in the follow-up. The child could be discharged on the day 5 after surgery, and she stayed for another 3-4 days before she returned back to Yangon. I would like to share with you that me, Dr. C. Raghu, every month visits Yangon to take care of the post-procedure follow-up of the patient and to prepare the patient for surgery so that we can send an appropriate patient to Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad for any surgery. So my monthly visit will help people to approach me for surgery at Yashoda and also for the post-procedure follow-up, which would be extremely helpful and saves a lot of money to the patient. I am sure people in Yangon will be able to take this benefit and come from all over Myanmar to take the benefit of my services. Thank you all.